Alright guys, John Chicken Ship Farms back. Today is a little bit of a bittersweet day for me because I've decided to sell my Taurus G3. And so we just got to finish cleaning up for the new owner. Couple things. I enjoy this pistol. I don't have a whole lot of complaints with it. I actually was going to use this for a truck gun or, dresser gun, something like nightstand gun, something like that. That's what I was going to do with it. And I do like it. A couple things I don't like. I don't like the finish. It wears very easy. I don't know if you can see, but right here. And you got a lot of wear here. We haven't fired a whole lot. This gun has probably got around 600 rounds through it. So it hasn't been a whole lot, but it has been very reliable. So I will say, that's been impressive. The trigger, I don't like at all. I was actually going to switch this trigger out, but instead I'm going to do the G3C and one of my wife's G2s instead. So, but I said it was nice. Came with this other 17 round mag. I would like to see them do something a little bit different here. Eventually I'm going to get it right. Just bear with me. There. I would like to see them do something a little different with this piece. The reason for that is, see this right here? It doesn't really fit very well at all. So it's got a gap here. It moves up and down. Sometimes you can even pinch your hand sometimes. So I wasn't a huge fan of that. But see, with the regular 15 round mag, it fits fine. I mean, there's still a little slop in it, but it's not bad. But I don't like the sights. I've never been a fan of this style of sights. But that's it. That's really all I can say. I said this was a $226 gun for me, guys. I bought it pre-pandemic, $226 out the door. I still think it is a great buy for this pistol. If you can find it under this, the $250 mark, I think you'll do fine. It's definitely worth it. Well, like I said, it is going to a new home. So you always got to make room on the channel for new things. So that's what we're doing. But some of y'all are probably wondering, well, what did you replace it with? Sar. This is my Sar9. This is the same gun Palmetto State Armory was running the $249 sale on, and there's actually even a dealer here in Alpharetta, Georgia. If you guys are anywhere near there, check out the Outdoors Trader, and there's a guy on there that has some of these in stock now for $249 with a $30 rebate. I don't think you could really get a better gun than this as far as of what I see that's out there right now for the price. I said, I paid $329 for this pistol. I didn't catch the sale. I really think I'm going to pick up another one because I really do like it, especially with the features that are on this pistol. I said it is unloaded, obviously, guys. We're not crazy. There's some of the features on here that I'm not getting in the Taurus. Very nice tight fit here. These are 17 round mags right out the get-go. Don't need any filler. Some people may not like the finger grooves. I do like them. They fit my hand very well. I like the large trigger groove, or can't speak today. Trigger housing here, I like this large trigger housing so I can get in there with gloves, even though I rarely shoot with thick gloves. It does have a frame safety. Somebody had told me in the comments that the T model does not have a frame safety, so if that's something you guys don't like, that goes away. But I definitely like the finish. The finish on here, I think this is what Taurus was probably going for, but they didn't get it. They didn't get this quality here, because this one here, this gun here, look, this gun has been shot as much as the Taurus, guys. We put a lot of rounds through this, and it looks just like it did the first day I took it out of the box. So it doesn't even look like we've even used it, which has been impressive. Very little wear, if any. And I like the sights on here better. I'm not a big fan of the white dot. I know I've told you guys that before. But these are really bright. Really bright. You can pick them up very easy. I'll probably still black the backs out. And I do like that they give you the, you got different side plates here for your grip. And you can change the different back straps. So they give you 2 extra back straps here. And a tool for it, which is nice. A lot of times they don't give you anything. You got to go hunting through your armor's box and find something to take it apart. And of course you get your cleaning brush and rod too. So the trigger on this, I don't think it's as good as a Canic, but it's close. This is a good trigger on this pistol. It feels good. It shoots good. And one of the other things I really like about this over the Taurus is the sight picture. The sight picture on this pistol compared to my G3. The G3, I have to cover the target with the sights to hit the middle of the target. I've never been a huge fan of that with some of my Taurus handguns. It's just I don't like it. This pistol is, I can hold at a center target. I'm going to hit right around the center of the target. It's a fairly accurate pistol. I shoot it accurately. So I said, I don't shoot every day, so I'm thinking somebody else could do that same thing. But yeah, this is what we're going to replace it with, guys, because it's just been, I said, for the price point this is at, it's really hard to justify going with the G3. I said I like the G3. It's a fine pistol, but compared to this, it can't stack up. This is fits me better. That's one of the reasons I'm always saying a lot of my videos, guys, is find a range that you can rent handguns, or go to a range with friends that have handguns that you may be interested in. I know you've seen some of our videos where we've done that with friends. Get out there, try these out, and see what you think, what fits you better. I said I like my G3. I've got some other pistols from Taurus I like just fine. But if I put this and it against each other, this is a clear winner 100% of the time for me. So definitely going to hold on to this. But that's all I got today, guys. We're going to bring some more videos back with this and probably the Canic too. So thank you, and we appreciate you guys.